Good morning. I am Reshma. Today I am here to continue with the novel A Passage to India. I hope you must have heard the introduction about the writer. So, coming to the characters of the novel A Passage to India, written by E.M. Forster. The main characters are Mrs. More, an English woman, Miss Adela Quested, our main protagonist. Next, Ronnie Hillslop. He is the city magistrate, the son of Mrs. More from her first marriage and going to get married to Adela. Next, Dr. Aziz. He is a young doctor who arranges a trip to the famous Marabar caves when Adela shows her quest to see the real India. Next, Ralph and Stella. They are the son and daughter of Mrs. More from her second marriage. Mr. Fielding. He is the principal of the local government college. Next, Professor Godbole. He is a Brahman. So, in our last video, I had explained about the running theme of the novel, and I told you the novel is divided into three parts. The first part is mosque, second part is caves, and the third part is temple. Now, coming to the first part, mosque. The first chapter is a very short one. It describes the city of Chandrapur. The second chapter describes the introduction of Dr. Aziz. He is a young Mohammedan and he has a couple of Mohammedan friends. They talk of how the English officials have the habit of insulting them. Aziz is a very kind doctor. He recites poetry and the others listen to them. The themes of his poetry are the decay of Islam and the brevity of love. He is interrupted by a note that somebody has come or he has got a call from a civil surgeon's bungalow, and finally he has to go. Feeling annoyed or angry, he returns and enters the mosque to rest. As I had told you in our introduction, two English women, Mrs. More and Miss Adela, have come to India or to a city of Chandrapur because Adela is engaged to Mr. Ronnie, who is the city magistrate. So here Adela and Mrs. More meet Aziz. In the mosque, Aziz meets and have talks with Mrs. More, who is an old English woman. Ronnie is an arrogant young officer, but Mrs. More's attitude towards the Indian is quite different. She has a good respect for the Indians. She not only respects Aziz religion, that is the Islam religion, and she is more interested and wants to know and understand the Indians. Aziz develops a liking for this lady, that is Mrs. More. Now Adela wants to see the real India. When Mrs. Morey returns to the mosque, to English club to rejoin her countrymen, because the countrymen were staying in the English club and Mrs. Morey had gone to the mosque to meet Aziz, or there she had met Aziz. When she came back, the Miss Adela says that she wants to see the real India. Fielding, the principal of the local government college, also suggests that they should try seeing Indians. The English ladies, because there were a group of other English ladies, men and women. The English ladies are surprised that this visitor from England should want to meet Indians. They say, "Why do you want to meet Indians?" But Adela says, "I want to see the Indians." And the collector promises to arrange a bridge party. Now, bridge, we know as a bridge is something which connects two things. Now, here, similarly, the bridge party is a bridge that connects, or the gulf between the east and the west. Here also, Ronnie's attitude is totally different. When they are going back home, the collector's wife criticizes Adela as queer and cranky. She says, "Why do you show so much interest in the Indians?" Adela is not much liked by any of the English men and women of Chandrapur. As I told you, Adela was going to get married to Ronnie. In fact, Ronnie also did not like her wanting to know the Indians. The collector's bridge party did not prove to be a success because it was just to build up the bridge or the gulf between the east and the west, but it was not successful. Both the Indians and the English were very uncomfortable. 2 or 3 of the English officials only made a few friendly remarks. The rest were busy playing tennis, or the rest were busy preoccupied with the women folk, which the Indians did not enjoy. Adela feels ashamed and angry because of the attitude of cold reserve of her people. Then at the Fielding's tea party. Next comes Fielding offered a tea party. Now, Fielding is the principal of the government college. He invites Mrs. Morey and Miss Quested or Adela for a tea in order to get an opportunity to meet Aziz and the Brahman Professor Godbole. At this party, Aziz is very talkative while Godbole is inclined to silence, or Godbole remains silent. In this course of conversation, Aziz feels excited and he extends invitation to the English ladies to a picnic in the famous Malabar caves. The invitation is accepted. Like he says, there are beautiful Malabar caves over here, and I say you must see the caves. And he say they all plan for a picnic, and the invitation is accepted. Ronnie, his lop arrives in order to take away his mother and his would-be fiancée. He is discourteous and arrogant towards the two Indian guests at the party. Like he doesn't have a good hi hello or a much conversation between the two. After the English guests leave, there is a little bit of friendship between Aziz and Fielding. Aziz and Fielding feel attracted towards each other. Like they feel that they have some similarity between them. They have a kind of friendship which begins between them. Aziz would like to become intimate. Intimate is close towards Fielding. Fielding calls on Aziz when the latter falls ill. Means when he falls ill, he calls Aziz. Aziz shows his confidence in Fielding by letting him see the photograph of his dead wife. Like they share their feelings. Okay, no problem, he says, even I am in sorrow, my wife is dead, so and so. This way they share their feelings. Aziz is quite happy this time, and it is the last real happy time that he has in the story. Like this is for Aziz. Aziz was just happy now because he had a good friend in the form of Fielding. But as slowly, gradually, our story will increase or it will proceed, we will see what happens, how the story proceeds, and how Aziz falls into trouble, and what happens to the friendship of Fielding and Aziz. So, this was all about our chapter 1, Mosque. Now, in this chapter, in short, in this chapter, we had just seen Mrs. Morris' inclination towards the Indian. She had gone to the mosque where she met Aziz, the bridge party, which was not successful, and the Fielding's tea party, where Aziz and Fielding had become good friends. In our next video, we will read about the second part, caves. Thank you.